Good morning, children. Today, let us start 6th standards general knowledge, that is lesson number 12, United Nations. At the end of the First World War, the leaders of the world set up an international body called the League of Nations. Yes, children. After World War, what happened? All leaders thought of having a meeting. Okay, so they called it as League of Nations, where the nation leaders will meet at a particular place. Its aim was to maintain peace in the world. So what was its aim? Its aim was to maintain peace. Peace means you must not fight with each other. Yes, but it proved to be a weak body and could not do much in the direction of maintaining peace in the world. But even this league also did not work out. Okay, so what happened next? The Second World War was fought from 1939 to 45. At the end of this war, the world leaders met and prepared the blueprint of United Nations. Yes, children. World War, after that they had one league, but that also did not work. So again what they did, after the Second World War, which was held in the year 1939 to 1945, again the leaders whoever were there, they prepared a blueprint. Blueprint means what to do, when to do, where to do, that. Okay. In June 1945, delegates from 50 countries met at San Francisco and drafted a charter for international peace. Thus, the United Nations was born. UN means United Nation. What happened, children? After preparing a blueprint and all, what they did? In June 1945, delegates means maybe ministers from 50 countries met at one place. That place name is San Francisco. They drafted a charter. Charter means written document, children, for international peace. International peace means for whole world should be in a peace. They must not fight for anything. Then only UN was born. UN headquarters is in New York. Where is the headquarters of the UN? UN means what? United Nations. It is in the New York. And where 193 member countries meet to achieve consensus on solving global problems. Means to achieve a permanent solution. Consensus means what? Permanent. To achieve a permanent solutions on all the global problems, all members met at a place. How many members met? 193. India became a member of UNO on 30 October 1945. This is very important, children. Okay, so our India also became a member of this UN. The council is composed of 5 permanent members. Which are those permanent members? China, France, Russia, the United Kingdom and United States. United Kingdom means UK. Okay, and 10 non-permanent members. So 5 are permanent and 10 are non-permanent. Now we will see which are the major organs of the United Nations are as follows: the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, the International Court of Justice and Secretariat. Yes, children. Now, let us see first one, the General Assembly. All member countries are represented in this body. Each has one vote. The work of the United Nations year round derives largely from the mandates given by the General Assembly. A revitalization of the Assembly is underway to enhance its role, authority, effectiveness, and efficiency. It meets once a year. The president and the vice presidents are elected for every session. Yes, children. What is the first organ? General Assembly. There, what happens, children? All countries are represented in this body, okay, in this meeting. There, all has only one vote, okay. So, here, what happens means everybody, whoever comes, they will develop some rule which help to develop the effectiveness and efficiency of the work, and they will meet once a year. For all the sessions, they will be having president and vice president. Now we'll go to the next, Security Council. The Security Council has primary responsibilities for the maintenance of international peace and security. The Security Council is made for what? To have the maintenance of peace in all the countries and security for all the countries. A reform of the Security Council includes its membership is under consideration. The 5 permanent members have the power to veto any substantive resolution. This whoever are 5 permanent members, they will be having some power. Okay. What is that power? That power is substantial, means permanent, to give us permanent decision. Resolution means decision. To give a permanent resolution or decision, these 5 members are very important. Now, third one, the Economic and Social Council. The Economic and Social Council is known as ECOSOC, established by UN Charter only. And it is the principal organ to coordinate the economic, social, and related work of the United Nations and the specialized agencies and institutions. Children, here they will say all the social problems and whatever is related to the economic problem. Economic means money. So they will see to it, and they will have some agencies and institution. Voting is a council is by simple majority. Each member has one vote. Even here also, each member will be having only one vote. Now, Trusteeship Council, children. The Trusteeship Council is to provide international supervision for these placed under the administration of 7 member states and ensure that adequate steps are taken to prepare the territories for self-government and independence. Trusteeship Council's work is, children, to provide how many? 11 trust territories will be having, and that will be under how many member states? 7 member states, and they will have some steps to do the territories, to prepare the territories for what? For self-government and independence. Now, fifth one, the International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice, located at the Hague in the Netherlands, is principal judicial organ of the United Nations. Justice means what, children? It will be related to court. So this is held in the Netherlands and is a principal judicial organ of the United Nations. It is a main judicial organ. It settles legal disputes between states, and give advisory opinion to UN and its specialized agency. What is the work of International Court of Justice means, children? It will settle all the disputes. Disputes means small issues, problems between states, and it will advise to the UNO also, to UNO and its specialized agency what to be done, where to be done, when to be done. It will give some suggestions. Now last one, the Secretariat. The Secretariat carries out the day-to-day work of organization. It works the Secretary General, who is the Chief Administrative Officer of the UN. Yes, children. Here what happens, whatever is done by the other organization, the Secretariat will take care of this. And here there is one Chief Administrative Officer. Who is that? Secretary General. Now, the United Nations has many specialized agencies. The 4 agencies are WHO. Here you see WHO, World Health Organization, ILO, International Labour Organization, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, IAEA, International Atomic Energy Authority. Yes, children. World Health Organization means it deals with the health. International Labour Organization means it deals with the labours and the work dignity. UNESCO means, as per the name, it takes care of education, scientific and cultural organization. And 4th one is International Atomic Energy. It deals with the atomic energies. Now tick the correct answer. The headquarters of United Nations is located in Germany, New York, Washington. Yes, children. New York. How many countries chartered at the San Francisco Conference in 1945? How many? How many will sign? 50. India became a member of United Nations 30 October 1945, 15th August 1951, 10th January 1949. Yes, children, it is 30 October 1945. United Nations General Assembly meets twice in a year, quarterly or once in a year. Yes, children, it meets only once in a year. The United Nations was formed in the year 1945, 1946, 1947. Yes, 1945. Which members in the Secretary Council has been conferred with the veto power? China, Russia, United States, France, United Kingdom, or all the above? Yes, children, here all the 5 countries are in a different options, so we will mark all the above. In the UN, how many territories were placed under Trusteeship Council? 13, 12 or 11? Yes, children, it is 11. So here we completed lesson number 12. Thank you, children.